on my channel Writing For. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest update. So friend, in today's video we will see how to create a restore point in a Windows and choose available restore points. And I will also tell you how to turn on or off system restore protection for your drives. So let's start this video guys. Just open this PC, then right click on the blank area and open properties. Here in the left top corner you will find system protection. Here just click on system protection and one box will pop up. Here you can see system protection is on for C drive. By default it's on for C drive, but you can change it. You can configure for D drive also. Just select the drive like D drive and then click on configure. You can just select turn on system protection, and you can also select this space usage or don't make any change in it. Just click on apply, then click OK. Now you can see system restore protection is on for D drive also. I am turning it off. Now we know how to turn on or off system restore for your drives. Now let's create a restore point. Just click on create, and here you just provide some description or date so that you can easily find it or recall it when you want to restore your system. I'm just putting the date 14th March. Now click on create. See, it's creating a restore point. It won't take much. Now you can see that guys, it's ready. The restore point was created successfully. So now guys, we know how to create a restore point. Now let's check for available restore points. In case if we want to system restore to older version, to older date. So here you can see a system restore tab is available, button is available. Just click on system restore. Here one option is recommended restore. System will automatically provide you a recommended restore, or you can choose a different restore point. Choose a different restore point, then click on next. Here you can see all the available restore points are listed there. You can see 14 March we just created few seconds back, and it's type manual because we manually created it, and other options are created by Windows itself. When we install any update or Windows update, then it will automatically created a restore point. In case update failed, and system will restore back to that point. Here is one option in the left bottom, show more restore points. It will show more restore points from previous dates like 7th March 21. I did created on 7th March. So you can select which one you like to restore. So guys, just click on the restore point and then click on next, and then click on yes. So guys, remember one thing, once you started this activity, this process, you cannot interrupt it. Means you have to wait until this finish, either complete successfully or it will fail. So guys, just click on yes button if you want to continue with this, but I don't want to, that's why I'm clicking on no button. So guys, Now we know how to create a restore point, how to restore a system and choose between available restore points, and how to turn on off protection for your drives. So it's a very good habit that you guys keep creating system restore points in a week or in a 15 days, just for the safe side. So guys, that's all for this video, and if you have any question or suggestion, please write it in comments box, and please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for latest update. So guys, take care and thanks for watching this video.